Well, isn't this interesting? This one is for... I think I know who this is.
I have almost fixed this. Almost.
You have been saying that for 40 minutes.
Huh?
These things take time.
Mom, there is a letter. Grandma Rose
sent a letter.
an actual, real letter.
That is your Grandma Rose smile.
I know that smile.
What did she say?
I'm inviting the whole family to spend the summer at the village.
She wrote us an actual letter with flowers on it. Who does that anymore? Grandma Rose, apparently. She has a story to tell us. One she has been saving for when we were old enough to hear it. Can I keep the letter?
Of course, sweetheart.
Then yes, we are going.
Yeah, I think we are.
And here we go, team.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a beautiful journey.
It is so big.
Well, the light out here is really good, actually.
Okay, tickets first, then we find the platform.
One for Mom, one for Alex, one for Emily, and one for the most important traveler.
Me.
But also, yes, you. Can we get something for the train?
One thing each. They have Joy Bonds.
Oh, nice. Get those.
Obviously Joy Bonds, peelable jelly.
Train snacks are different from breakfast snacks. Completely different category.
We are off.
Finally.
The buildings are getting smaller.
That means we are leaving the city.
I know. I just never watched it happen before.
Joy Bonds on a train, perfect combination.
These never get old.
Alex, look. I see it.
This is what I remembered. This exact view.
It is so beautiful.
Grandma Rose lives out there somewhere. It is so quiet here. I can hear the birds. It smells different too, like grass and something sweet.
That is fresh country air.
It is even more beautiful than I remembered, David.
You must be the family coming to visit Rose.
That is us. How did you know?
Rose described you perfectly, especially the little one with the notebook.
Hello. You are very beautiful. I think it likes you.
Hop on, everyone. See that golden field over there? That is wheat. They make flour from it.
All of that becomes bread.
The light on that field is absolutely incredible right now.
You have taken about 20 pictures already, Alex.
Oh, do you smell that? It smells like something Grandma Rose would have in her house, because she grows it herself.
You are not taking pictures of this one. Some things you just want to look at without a camera. Yeah.
Oh, look at those! Those are sunflowers and poppies growing together.
They are so bright. Grandma Rose used to pick these flowers when she was little. She was exactly like you, actually curious about everything.
See those dairy cows over there?
Do they just stand there all day?
Pretty much yes.
Here you are. Welcome home. Thank you so much. Truly.
Where is my family?
I have been waiting all year for this.
Grandma Rose. We missed you so much.
It is so good to see you.
Hello. Who are you?
I think you have a new friend.
It is so warm and cozy in here. This cottage has been waiting for all of you, and make yourselves at home.
I have never seen this many stars before. Not once in my whole life. The city lights always cover them, but out here there is nothing in the way.
It makes the city feel very small suddenly.
Alex, Grandma said in the letter she has a story for us. The one she has been saving for a long time.
I was thinking about that too.
Should we go ask her?
Do you think she is still awake?
The light is on under the door. She is awake.
Grandma Rose, are you still awake? Come in, my darlings.
I wondered when you two would come.
You knew we were coming.
I have been waiting for someone to ask me this story for a very long time.
The story in the letter. The one you said you were saving for when we were old enough. Yes.
That one. Are you ready?
Yes.
A very long time ago, before this village had roads or electricity or even the fair, there was a tree.
What kind of tree?
The oldest tree anyone had ever seen. Its roots went so deep that the old villagers said it could feel everything, and every joy, every wish, every pain, every heartbreak.
The wishing tree.
You have heard of it?
And told us to ask you.
Old John, he always knew things. The villagers believed that if you went to the tree at the right moment and made a wish that was truly from your heart, not selfish, not greedy, a pure, honest wish from deep inside the tree would know, and it would glow like 1,000 fireflies all waking up at once.
Did you ever see it glow, Grandma Rose? What did you wish for?
I wish that one day my family would find their way back to this village together.
And we came.
The tree is still there on the eastern hill. I have not been up there in many years, but I believe it is still waiting.
Waiting for what?
For the right person, at the right moment, with the right wish.
Grandma Rose, did you just hear that?
Go to sleep now, my darlings. Some answers come in the morning.
Grandma Rose, thank you for saving that story for us. It was always yours. I was just keeping it safe.
Alex, wake up. What is it, Emily? The Eastern Hill today. Grandma said, right moment. Okay, I am in.
Shh, come on. Quietly, Biscuit, very quietly.
He is coming anyway. Obviously he is, yes.
Everything looks different now. Early morning light does that.
Biscuit, stop running ahead. He literally cannot help it. Grandma's lavender, so soft. Alex, look at that. Whew, the whole village, wow. Alex, look at that. I see it, Emily. But what are you doing? Making my wish. Shh. What did you wish? That is not allowed.
Worth a try, though.
Absolutely not telling you. Best summer ever, Alex.
Yeah, best summer ever.